Hey everybody, Caleb here with Stihl Service today to go over the Stihl FS91R. The 91R is the loop handle version. They also make this in a bike handle version. If you're curious how to find that, it does not have the R on it. It is the FS91. But this unit, FS91R, loop handle version, this is the second straight shaft trimmer in Stihl's commercial lineup. It is the first trimmer with a solid drive shaft, and this is definitely a nice, powerful one. Does a great job. If you're a commercial guy, this is definitely what I would recommend to start looking at. When we get up to the power head, we have the choke here. Push the button in, turn it all the way up to the full choke position. Choke is engaged. As we go to the top here, you have your primer bulb. Prime that 3 to 5 times, and you got your recoil rope here in the back. This does have a standard recoil on it, but the engine has valves, which I think makes the pulling over of the recoil very nice and easy. Once the unit starts, you can go ahead and hit the trigger. Takes your choke off automatically. Down at the bottom, we have the Stihl Auto Cut 27-2 commercial string head. Nice thing about this string head is that you can get the metal bump knobs, which are going to be for your extended life. So for all you commercial guys that do a lot of string trimming, you may want to look at getting the upgrade to the metal bumps. That way you don't have to keep going through all the bumps or the inserts all the time. Then when you're ready to shut the trimmer down, just press your stop button here. That'll shut it off, and it goes right back to the on position. It does have a greasable gear head down here, so it is something that you do want to grease regularly as a part of your maintenance. You can take that out with the Torx fitting there, or the standard size nut that's on there. The T-handle tool that comes in your manual will allow you to both use the nut and the Torx fitting. Then you can buy the tube of grease. Just grease it once a year, and you'll be doing a great job. Alright, so that is the Stihl FS91R. It's the first commercial string trimmer with a solid drive shaft. Like I said, great price point, great power, does an awesome job. As always, if you have questions, leave them in the comment section below, and thanks for watching.